Hi, I'm Amy with Fire Suppression Solutions, and I'm here today with Ben, who's going to help me demonstrate how we refill a 6-liter TRF Plus extinguisher. Our extinguishers are made to easily refill. The process is different than refilling a dry chem extinguisher, and we'll go ahead and walk you through it. You can either do it yourself, which is very easy following our instructions, or you can contact our office to be able to send it back. When you purchase a refill kit, you're going to get a 5-gallon pail of our TRF Plus. You're also going to get this handy kit here, which has your Schrader valve, small O-rings, large O-rings, and your ties. That way you know you've completed your refill correctly and you'll be able to tag the extinguisher. On your own, you're going to need a measuring cup to be able to refill it back to 6 liters. You're going to need a funnel, which makes it easier to pour the liquid back in, and you're going to need a wrench to be able to kind of take the assembly apart. So Ben's going to go ahead and start by demonstrating. We're going to flip this extinguisher over, and we're going to decompress the air, right, Ben?
Yep. Just hit the lever when it's upside down. It'll let all the air out of said extinguisher. Once it's out, you can flip it back over, and you will take your handle off like this.
All right, and then once our handle's off, we're going to dump our liquid that's left in here, right, back into our measuring cup. And then we're going to take for the rest of our fluid and fill it up to 6 liters. So that way we know that we'll have a full extinguisher, and top that off. And we'll put that liquid back into the extinguisher. Now, do you want to show how we change our O-rings on here? And
yep, you just take your wrench and we'll spin the hose off.
That loosens that. And then we're going to go ahead and change those O-rings in there,
so
right?
You'll take your large O-ring, which is for your handle that goes to the extinguisher.
Mm-hmm.
You'll change that out. And then the little O-ring for goes on the hose.
All right.
And when that's done,
and we've got our Schrader valve.
Put the Schrader valve in on your handle again. You will thread this back into your extinguisher. You'll fill it with air to 102 psi off of a regular air compressor.
Okay.
And when it's up to 102, you will let it sit for 24 hours. Make sure there's no leaks. After that, you can take the Schrader valve back off, and you tighten your hose back on to your extinguisher.
And then you tag it, because then you know it's refilled and good to go. Thanks for demonstrating.